Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the bullet points for your product listings in Amazon Seller Central. Bullet points are key for highlighting the unique features and benefits of your product, so it's essential to keep them clear, concise, and compelling. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Inventory tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Inventory. This will take you to the page where all your product listings are displayed. On the Manage Inventory page, find the product listing you want to update. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by entering the product name, SKU or ASIN. Click on the Edit button next to it. This will take you to the Product Details page where you can make changes to your listing. Now, make sure you're on the Product Details tab where you'll find the fields for the bullet points. To update a bullet point, simply click inside the field and type in your new content. Make sure each bullet point is clear, focused, and highlights a key feature or benefit of your product. Remember, you have a limited character count, so be concise and use relevant keywords to help improve your product's visibility in search results. Now, let me fill in all the bullet points for this listing. And hey, you can use ChatGPT to help you write effective content for your listings as well. While I'm doing this, feel free to like the video and show your support. Once you've made your changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save and Finish to apply them. It might take a few minutes for the changes to be reflected on your live product page, so be patient. And that's it. You've just learned how to update bullet points for your product listings in Amazon Seller Central. Keeping your bullet points optimized is crucial for grabbing customer attention and boosting your sales. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.